Thank you very much, Alex Dimasakat of ACT.
Hindi na ching hawakan ko to. Saan ba daan?
Alodia, can we ask you to go on stage? Is that okay? Hi, Alodia. Ladies and gentlemen, Alodia Concepcion. All right. Alodia, what will we do next, really, right? Or what's up with you now next?
Well, thank you everyone who joined the Game Girls competition. Gagaling nyo. Nakakatuwa at to see you guys cosplay characters from your favorite video games. Kasi gamer rin po talaga ako. So, sobrang na-excite ako sa ginawa nila. Good job, guys.
And thank you, Alodia, for judging once again, right?
Thank you for
Will we see more of you today? What will happen today?
Yes, after right now, I'll be heading towards my booth there.
Alright.
Dun sa maraming butterflies.
Doon ulit tayo, okay.
Nakita tayo doon.
Alright.
And again, before I leave the stage, huwag niyo po kalimutan yung movie po na
Oh yeah, alright.
Kimigora and the Temple of Kellen. Now showing po, so after ToyCon, baka gusto niyo po, check out yan and sana po ma-enjoy niyo to.
Alright, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Alodia Concepcion for everybody. Alright, thank you very much, Alodia. Paki-escort naman si Alodia out here. Okay. Alright, can you help us, please? Thank you, Alodia. Alright, so as we are going to